trail. So, welcome again to hash number 400, which should be started by 2 o'clock. Check your arms, it is 2 whatever. Late. Late, sorry, so sorry.
Starting on time.
We are starting on time. So, this location here is called Blue Hole Waterfall. We found it after some difficulties with online check-in, and one of our
If I decide to walk up this hill.
Okay, we go down and then we come back.
The point of the hash is to go the maximum way.
Get lost.
Now we can stop now.
Wait, no, start again, start again. All right. Woo.
On.
Hold on.
Right.
I think what they mean by alligators. I think what they mean by the alligators mean.
Now it's recording. On. On.
Just to collect interest. I mean interest, but my nemesis, exclamation, just for emphasis. And I don't sympathize, cause you a simple bitch. I just have a fucking house, I have a shit. And put the eyes here, put your arm for bush.
On.
That work.
This is nice.
You got lost. We can fly down here.
N sign. And I did the N, I extended it, and I made an arrow out of it. The BN means beer near. Thank you. That means, and beer near means you are almost back to the surface.
Oh, you didn't see that?
No, because we went the wrong way.
What I think now is most of the people came late. They made up for this with their extension all over.
Around. Right.
Congratulations.
Constable, I don't think they need a down for that. They had it already.
Give the hair a down. Lost half the seat.
All right. Let me do.
Chug. Everything.
Why are we waiting?
Yes.
And being confronted with an obstacle. KD, where's she? The hair maiden.
Katie,
What did I do?
No, just come.
just come to the city.
With this. For you. Ting?
Hauptsache ist der Menge. Yeah. I am not sure if it's my choice or decree that you take the lead. I notice a little push or shove. She would neutralize the obstacle and then pull up Sir Galahad or pull him down, whatever requirement was. That is not Jamaica.
Did he hand out his
Jamaican gentlemen, go up front, sort out whether it's gunman, badman, shrub, bush, anything, and then he pulls up there. Don't let him pull you. We don't do it that way. That's why you're in a circle. They dismissed the hash proclamation and turned up in black plastic condoms around their necks.
What kind of tie? It's tie.
What?
You are not allowed to talk in a circle. Stop it!
For those of you who said it's a tie, they hope it's a tie, or else 9 months later there could be some problems. Here's to the first bunch of criminals. Here's to the criminals, they're true blue. They are righteous through and through. They are righteous, so they say. I never get it along, wrong way. Drink it all. Why are we waiting? Why? Herbal death.
What did I do?
Why you ask these silly questions? You don't have to come up the bottom, you know, same thing. Okay, come, you're holding up.
People are hungry.
It's very simple. Herbal death is charged for exceeding her weekly vocal quota. Hang on, you have more mugs? You have more mugs. Good. Captain Dozy.
Captain Dozy.
Rice and peas.
Ashes through and through, the ashes through and say.
Drink it down. Don't lose it.
Okay, and finally we got. Yeah. Finally. No, it's okay. Finally we got two naming, but we're gonna have an extra special. No, hold on. Don't be about your cap. Look. As a burp having his own meal. And Jackie, because I'm a dimension person, will be known as, you know, she's a medical practitioner. She'll be known as Jugs.
Mother, Jugs.
Okay, here's to the unit. Yes, and you wear true blue.
What a lovely pair.
Thank you, sir.
Stop! 1 moment. Stop. Part of the Yes, stop. With the hash constable here.
Yes, sir.
Gentlemen, please explain to me, us, why he's here.
Fellow Hashers, we were on our way from that lovely crocodile sanctuary, following close behind on the constable's tail.
Clyde.
And by the time me and my friend here decided to overtake...
Objection! I want him to show me my tail!
You are not allowed to talk in a circle. Overruled.
We noticed that there was a lack of shreddies. So we immediately turned around and made a comment. The constable promptly said, "I probably missed it." So we had to walk all the way back up the hill, which obviously everybody who came here had a wonderful opportunity of enjoying. But we
Might you are crying?
Yes, yes. And we went back and we finally found the BN. And we made our way back safely.
So what? This is I want him to get to the point. The point
You were led astray.
Exactly. But what do you mean? You're not supposed to follow me.
Quiet! You lied! You cheated! You get the people at last.
Here to the constable! Here's to the constable. He's a hasher through and through. He's a hasher, so he said. Let's never, long way. We get down. Are we waiting?
You know, I don't